Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW X1 or X3 with a 4-cylinder gasoline 2.0 liter engine, this is guys the N20 engine we're talking about, or N26 engine, and you're trying to find the torque specs for the crankshaft pulley, for the crankshaft bolt, excuse me, stay with us, we'll explain all that today guys. That same engine that has been used in BMW X1 and X3 has been used in BMW 5 Series as well. Many of you asked me specifically for X1 and X3 because some of you may not know that same engine actually has been used in certain 5 Series models certain years as well guys. So you're doubting if it's the same information, so that's why we're sharing it with you today guys. We'll show you the torque specs for the crankshaft bolt and what you need. All the tools that we're going to use will be listed in the description of the video below, and you can get them that way for your convenience guys. We share everything. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW here guys, we make more than 200 videos. On this one probably we'll have close to 300-400 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep making those free videos to you guys. Now, what do we have here? We have a 2013 BMW 528i. And this is the engine guys. Timing chain failed really early at 87,000 miles. As you know, some vehicles are affected, X1 and X3s as well. We made a video on the channel that explains about the N20 timing chain failure, so check it out if you need to. And this is the timing chain in pieces. Okay, you can see pretty bad. Crankshaft bolt, okay, it is down there guys, crankshaft bolt, but you need a special tool to hold the flywheel so the engine and the crankshaft will not turn. This is the tool, it's called flywheel holder tool. We have a video how to use it. Just search for BMW X1 or X3 flywheel holder tool and you're going to see how to use that thing guys. It's on N20, N26 engine. Also, if you need any of the timing tools, anything like that for timing chain, we have it on the channel as well. So always consult your manual, service manual for your specific vehicle, year, model, configuration, engine and all that stuff to make sure that this is the correct torque specs for you guys. Now, what I found online, okay, and what we go by here in the shop is every time you have to put a new bolt. Okay, every single time you have to install a new bolt, and we'll have the new bolt in the description of the video below. New bolt needs to be installed. And the first step you need to go guys, 100 Newton meters with a torque wrench. Okay, this is a torque wrench, 100 Newton meters. You hear that click, you stop. And then guys, we use that humongous breaker bar guys. This is a 3/4 inch breaker bar. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. And with that thing guys, step number 2, you have to do 270 degrees. 270. This is 3/4 of a revolution guys. One revolution is 360 degrees, 3/4 of a revolution is 270 degrees. So that being said now guys, okay, with that being said, this is step number 2 and you should be ready to set, but you're going to need that too as well. So 100 Newton meters, 270 degrees with the breaker bar. You guys, okay, always have to consult your manual for your specific vehicle to make sure that yours is not different by any chance. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel guys and see you next time.